After having fun out on the water, make sure to secure your personal watercraft to your wave port. In this video, we're going to show you the proper use of the quick clip and chain. Our clip and chain provides a secure connection of your PWC to the port during wave actions and allows for use of a padlock. WaveArmor's clip and chain is a standard feature for Apex and Pro Series ports and is an option for SLX Series ports. For daily use, we recommend securing your watercraft using the following method. First, you pick up the chain on the wave port and find the fourth link on the chain. Next, put the clip on the chain. Then, connect the clip to your PWC's eyelet. This will keep your PWC close to your port. WaveArmor recommends to always clip your chain to the shortest setting so that your PWC sits tight to the bow stop. Loose chains can allow the watercraft to slip down on the port during wave actions and harsh weather conditions. If you want to store your PWC on the wave port with a padlock for a prolonged period of time, we recommend securing your PWC using the following method. Begin by clipping your wave port using the same steps we discussed earlier. Then bring the chain back through your PWC's eyelet. Next, take your padlock and lock both sides of the chains together. Your PWC will now be secure for the next time you want to ride it. Please make sure your chain and clip are located on the outside of the bow stop when not in use to avoid damage to the hull.